Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. This maths lesson we are going to be focusing on something called arrays, which we have talked about in some previous lessons. Arrays are pictorial, it's a pictorial resource to help you find groups, make different groups, and obviously find the totals and answers. Things we need to remember, we need to think about equal groups. So when we are using these arrays, we need to put these counters, for example, into equal groups. They have to be the same. We can't have ones on their own because that means that those groups are not equal. When we look at arrays, we want to be looking at rows and columns. So if we circle a row, we are doing a line across the array, and columns are lines going down. You will sort of see these as we move on through the lesson.